Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see or view Apple ID password if you forget it. So guys, if you want to view or see your Apple ID password and if you have forgot your password for your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you see this or how can you view this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to open up settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, do this and after this go back and now you have to open your app store and search here for password app. Here you have to search for passwords and from here you have to simply download and install this passwords app on your device. So I simply do this and after this open this app and if you tap on this password button here, you can see this. Simply tap on this. Here you will be able to see all of your saved passwords on your device. So guys, here you can see all of your saved passwords on your device. Here you can view your Apple ID password as well if you have saved it already on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this. Simply open it and now if you tap on password, you will be able to see the Apple ID password of your device from here very easily if you have already saved it. So guys, if you don't have saved your Apple ID password, then you have to simply recover your Apple ID password and then you will be able to save it again on the password apps on your device and then you will be able to view it very easily. So guys, this is the way which you can follow to view your Apple ID password on your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.